Lawmakers at the Council of States have asked the governor of Unity State to resign or be removed by presidential decree, an MP representing Unity State has said. This came after the parliamentarians passed a vote of no confidence against Governor Monytuil on Monday over the summary killing of armed opposition officers in Mayam County early this month. On the 22nd of August 2022, the lawmakers summoned Governor Monytuil to answer questions over the summary killing of armed opposition officers in Mayam County early this month. Ryogat Lyergai, an SPLMIG representing Lear County of Unity State at the Council of States, told iRadio that the lawmakers impeached Monytuil after he failed to convince the House over the unlawful execution of armed opposition fighters. The incidents were of slain commissioner and the summary killing of 4 armed opposition officers loyal to Stephen Buay, the leader of the South Sudan People's Movement. According to Gat Lyer, before the incidents, the governor had defied several summonses by the Council of States to answer questions related to insecurity in the state. The lawmaker who raised the motion against Governor Monytuil spoke to iRadio in an exclusive interview this morning. The governor of Unity State Hon. Dr. Joseph Monytuil has been summoned by the Council of the State several times and he did not show up. This motion which I read yesterday I raised on 11th April, said Hon. Gatlier. Finally, Dr. Joseph Monytuil came and appeared before the council yesterday Monday. There was another motion. There are other subsidiaries motions on the issues happening in the same state, especially the killing of the commissioner of Mayam County and the extrajudicial killing of the prisons of war. The governor was given enough time to explain himself and he couldn't manage to convince, so after the Council of States members and the setting heard enough of him, the governor was impeached by the Council of States in a closed-door meeting and cast a vote of no confidence. The governor should be released if he is not going to resign based on this decision. Lawmaker Gatlier cited Articles 47, 48 and 49 and 59 in the Transitional Constitution that provides the competences of the Council of States, among which is the power to initiate legislation on the decentralized system of government and other issues of interest to the states and passing such legislation with a 2/3 majority of all representatives. Gatlier thinks that, if Governor Monytuil resigns, it will clean the already tarnished image of the country caused by the horrific killings. Now, to recover the tarnished image of the president and the tarnished image of the Republic of the People of South Sudan, Governor Joseph Monytuil should voluntarily resign, Hon. Gatlier said. In any circumstances when there's a vote of no confidence, there are 2 things that happen. One is for you to be gentleman enough to resign, that's one thing. If the governor is not going to resign voluntarily, His Excellency President Kiir will receive the resolutions of the Council of the States based on the vote of no confidence and then the motion. However, in a statement yesterday Monday, the Unity State Government Press Office denied the Council of States impeached Governor Joseph Monytuil.